All right. We are now finding the volume of an annulus prism. An annulus is basically a circle with a hole in the center. So an annulus prism is basically like a hollow tube, except we're finding the volume of the. Like if you thought about it as a bit of PVC piping, we're finding the actual volume of the plastic of the actual PVC. So in this particular case, we're finding the diameter of a DVD is 12 centimeters and the hole in the center is 1.5 centimeters and the DVD is 0.12 centimeters thick. So it's not very thick. So we're going to find, we've got V equals AH and area equals pi r squared, except in this particular case, we've got the r squared minus the r squared because we've got that sort of thing going on. So we've got the big R and the little r. For our one, big R equals 12, little r equals 1.5. So the area of that equals pi times, that's terrible, 12 squared minus 1.5 squared, which you would chuck into your calculator. I'm not expecting any of you to do any of these off the top of your head. 111.33018 centimeters squared. So that is our area. Now, I am expecting you, however, to use the answer button, the button on your calculator that's got ANS. Okay, and that way we're going to get this exact number rather than approximation coming up. And I'll show you what I mean in a minute. So we're now going to do volume. And for the volume, our little h is actually 0.12. So that's the thickness of it. So it's 0.12 centimeters thick. And that was a terrible drawing, but you know what I mean. So our volume equals 111.33018 times 0.12. Now, when you're doing this in your calculator, what I would like you to put in is you've just done that previous calculation. You should be using this button, times 0.12. That way you get the exact value, not the approximation. And when you put that into your calculator, you'll get 13.35962, which we will round to 13.36 cubic centimeters.